I'm here today with my lemonade box, which smells incredible, and my Bookishly. My name's Fawn and this is my channel. I come here to chat to my friends, and by golly, I've got some friends through doing this. I love you all. Anyway, I do lots of unboxings and try-ons and clothing and yeah, whatever. And if you like that type of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. So it's a funny day here today. Don't know about you guys. Where is this heat wave we're supposed to be getting? The final heat wave, get down bit of the summer. It doesn't look like it's going to happen here anyway. So I have been pottering around, pulling the house back together, and you know, how can it be that two people can make so much mess? I don't know how we managed to do it. And the dogs, the hair guys. Yesterday we clipped Bert. I'm not an expert at it. We got into the habit during the lockdown because obviously you couldn't take your dogs to be groomed and he gets really big knots and things, which is not nice. So I've been doing it ever since, and I really think I ought to call it a day and get him back to the groomers because I don't do the best job of it. So he's kind of funny looking at the minute, but I tell you what, when he's clipped, I love how velvety his coat is. But anyway, I look down, weirdest dog you've ever seen. Yeah, really weird. As you all know, I love Lemonade Box, and I'll give you an example of why I love them. This Lemonade Box is about 2 days late. I mean, that's it, about 2 days late, but they're so sweet that when the person who's supposed to pick up all the packages to take them for them didn't turn up, they had to go out and you know, take them to different sorting offices, but they emailed us to say, oh, really sorry, you know, it's going to be a little bit late. It's so nice because it's made by real people, not a corporate thing. So anyway, let's dive into it because, oh girls, the smell coming off this is amazeballs. So there's the sleeve. When life gives you lemons, we give you lemonade. So as usual, 2 pieces of paper on the top, one with what's in the box, what's in the box, and the other one is what they used to call the monthly mission. So here we go, happy August. This month our mission is for you to drink more water. Drinking more water is something we all promise ourselves and don't always pull through on, so we thought we'd make it a mission. Did you know drinking water increases energy and relieves fatigue? Since your brain is mostly water, drinking it helps you think, focus and concentrate better. Drinking water also helps to clear skin, flush out toxins in your body and aids digestion. As the warmer months are drawing to a close, it's important to keep our minds and body hydrated. For this reason, this month we want you to train your body to have 2 to 3 litres of water a day. That's a lot, isn't it? 2 to 3 litres. Start slow and ease yourself into it if needed, and by the end of August it'll become second nature and your body will be thanking you. As always, we're rooting for you. Well, that's a good one for me because I drink water anyway. I might have 1, maybe 2 herbal teas or you know, something along those lines during the day, but I'm predominantly a water drinker. But I don't know how much I drink. I'm gonna have to have a little think about that, but I think I probably do 2 litres already, but it'll make me mindful. Then the box, and here we go with the things that are in it. So let's start off with a Flamingo Candle. Flamingo Candles X Lemonade Box limited edition candle. Recommended retail price £12. Look at the packaging. I really like that packaging. I like the sort of copper tone, and I like the sort of yeah, like jungly kind of fabric. Paper. Let's just pull it off and have a sniff. Oh gosh, that smells lovely. Oh, that really is nice. It says our August spoiler, this month you'll find a limited edition vegan soy candle created just for you in either pomegranate and white fig or frangipan and lemon. Mine is, does it say? Does it say, or have I got to try and figure it out? Oh, this pomegranate and white fig. I was going to say I didn't think there was any lemon in it. That really is lovely. Pomegranate and white fig. Every candle comes in a rose gold tin with a tropical, that's the word I was looking for, jungly, tropical floral print to bring some vibrance to your home this summer, and it burns for about 40 hours. Once finished, please clean and recycle. Well, I'm happy with that. I've had a candle for a while actually, and I do like a candle. I'm trying to pinpoint what it is that smells so good in this, and it could be this. This is called Aroma Home Inner Balance Uplift and Energize Pulse Point Balm. That's a heck of a long title. Recommended retail price $5.95. Whether you're in need of a little pick-me-up, this Uplift and Energize Pulse Point Balm will deliver that much-needed boost. This blend of de-stressing bergamot... De-stressing. Did I say de-stressing or distressing? As my nana would say, Lord love old Ireland. This blend of de-stressing bergamot, energizing lime and fatigue busting ginseng essential oils will help to energize, motivate and have you raring to go. So it's in this really cute little packaging, look, Inner Balance it's called, Energy Boost. It could be this that smells. Everything smells so nice that it's really difficult. But I'm going to open it up and get it out because it's the sort of thing I would use. So there's a little pot that you would carry around or have on your bedside table. No, I don't suppose energizing. You wouldn't have it on your bedside table, would you? But yeah, certainly have it in my handbag. And oh, that smells lovely. Oh, I offered it to you to sniff. It really does. Oh, that smells really, really nice. Now, I can't put it on this wrist. Can you see? I scalded myself yesterday. It was the steam off a ready meal. Oh, that's lovely. I shouldn't be doing ready meals. It's really not good for me. But hubby is on this really, really bizarre diet. And I just can't. I can't do it. I've tried. I can't. He's losing a ton of weight. And a bit of me is like, oh, I really should do it so I could be as skinny as him. But I like my food too much, you know. I'm not bothered enough about what I look like to put myself through that kind of hell, whereas he is. So it's a lot of sort of meals just for me at the minute. And I don't know how you ladies who live alone do it, but I just can't be bothered. So there's a lot of ready meals going on. So last night was a little pasta dish from Sainsbury's. And I took it out of the oven. And you know, you've got to peel back the lid and stir halfway through. Well, I didn't realise that my arm was just perfectly in line and the steam shot out and burnt my wrist and it's really flipping sore. Anyway, this is lovely. That's not to do with Lemonade Box, is it? But this is lovely. It really is a lovely, lovely scent. What would I say is the strongest scent in there? I don't know, but it is. It's nice. It's different. Next up, this is one very strong smelling, so maybe this is what I was sniffing. Next is an Ishgar shampoo and body bar, valued at £11. It's a new shampoo and body bar which combines Ishgar's unique seaweed extract with soothing aloe vera and natural spring water, enhanced with lemongrass, geranium, lavender and juniper berries. This uplifting fragrance elevates the experience to a natural aromatherapeutic daily cleansing ritual. So you lather it and you can use it on your hair or your body. But this is really strong scenting. The lemongrass is punching me in the face, which is not, it's not a lover. I'm not a lover of lemongrass, as you know. Gosh, that's strong. Let me get it out and show you. Oh, it feels lovely in my hand. It feels like top quality soap. Do you know what I mean? But the smell is not a smell for me. That lemongrass is much too strong for me. But I've got a son-in-law who loves the shampoo bars and the body bars. He would love that. So that's where that's going to go. My Tom's going to get that one. Ooh, next we have from Figs and Rouge. If you remember, I love this name and we got something from them before. I got something from them before. And as I remember, I've used it a lot. This is a blush pink velvet cream for use on the T-zone and enlarged pores. This innovative pore perfecting formula helps to brighten your complexion with vitamins A, C and E, whilst purifying the skin with salicylic acid, fabulous, to help unclog and reduce pores. In addition, The addition of hyaluronic acid encourages long-lasting vitality and helps restore moisture to the skin, and it's £35 to buy. That sounds like something I would love. I really suffer with, you know, blackheads. Some people call them filaments, but I call them blackheads. You know, this sort of area of me, if I'm going to be rough or nasty looking, that's where it is. So that I am really, really excited to try. Brightening, purifying, pore perfecting and smoothing. Love it. £35. Absolutely love that one. Then there is the Bella Forever Yellow Bird Clay Mask for $14.99. Heal your skin from within. This turmeric powder face mask helps to even skin tone, remove dead skin cells, reduce dark spots and scarring, and leave you with a healthy looking glow. You add 1 teaspoon of this powder in a bowl and add your choice of liquid. I wonder if they mean, oh, you could add, I was thinking, you could add water, honey, squalane or another oil, and then you create oh, ladies, I'm so sorry. You create the mask of your dreams. So this is $14.99, and that's going to have a lot. That's going to have a lot of goes in that. You know, if you're only using a teaspoon at a time, that's got to be, gosh, maybe 10, 8, 10, I would think, in there. So that's really good. I love the idea of sort of mixing things. Never heard of Yellowbird. Face mask for glowing skin. And it's animal, test-free and vegan. Oh, it tells you what's actually in it. It's got kaolin, curcumo longa, which is turmeric. Oh dear, I almost wish I hadn't started this now. Melalachio alternifolia leaf oil. It's got lemon in it. They put lemon in everything, don't they? Geranium oil, linalool oil, and naturally occurring essential oils. That'll teach me to try and read the ingredients to you. Anyway, sorry. Moving on, finally. Oh, and I love something to eat. Mini popcorn, toffee mini popcorn. Recommended retail price £1. Gosh, that's not much for £1, is it? The first vegan, oh, it's vegan toffee popcorn in the UK. Deliciously sweet with a butterscotch flavour. Made from an ancient grain of corn. These tasty morsels pop into teeny weeny pop squeak sized pieces. Half the size of the regular popcorn. They still pack a punch. Smaller means easier to digest and won't get stuck in your teeth. Oh, what a good idea. So it's an unusual grain that they've used. So it's supposed to be better for you, better for your digestion. Well, that's really interesting. I'll definitely give that a go. Let me do my YouTuber special. Here we go with my toffee popcorn. This stuff I'm really excited to try. This Figs and Rouge T-zone stuff. I'll have to let you know on that. The face mask, the bar of soap shampoo, the energy boost balm, and a really lovely candle. Everything in here smells beautiful. With the, well, for me, with the exception of the bar, because it's the lemon balm, I just don't get on with it. But they're combining together so that this box, it just smells incredible. It's like walking into a really fancy spa, you know, where they've been using lots of essential oils. I love it. That is such a treat. It's fabulous. Never disappoints me. That one never ever disappoints me. I never sit there thinking, well, there's nothing in there that I want to use. Most of it I want to use. And then we'll pop on to Bookishly, which only ever takes a few minutes, but I love it, and I love to know what I'm going to be reading this month, because I don't just read the Bookishly book, because they're not that big normally, but it makes me read something, I was going to say sensible, that's the wrong word, but I've got a tendency to read an awful lot of like murder mysteries, and although they're enjoyable, they're a little bit, what's the word? they don't really expand my knowledge base or stretch my brain cells or add new words to my vocabulary. So I do love to hit a classic as well, because I always hope it'll be something that will just, yeah, freshen the brain up a bit. So I have the Book and Tea, although you can have the Book and Coffee. This is a Midsummer Night's Tea. I wonder if it is a Midsummer's Night, which is a black tea with coconut pieces, apple pieces, strawberry pieces, rosehip pieces, they like pieces, kiwi pieces, hibiscus petals, rose petals, and natural flavours. If it's a black tea, it's probably got caffeine in it, so I probably won't be able to have it, but it sounds lush. I'd really like to try that. And then the bookmark. Oh, that is a pretty one this time. And it says, yes, what angel wakes me from my flowery bed? A Midsummer Night's Dream. So it's a Midsummer Night's Dream. I haven't read this again. I just can't think when I last sat down and read a Shakespeare play. But I'm going to encourage everybody to do it because, well, I don't know about anyone else. I shouldn't really be so sort of opinionated, should I? But I love Shakespeare. I just love the way he uses words. I saw this at the Royal Shakespeare Company's theatre in Stratford-upon-Avon. Oh gosh, it's so long ago now. I mean, it's so long. And funnily enough, hubby and I were talking about, as part of my getting out and about, that we might go and do that again, because it was fabulous to see it on a stage, to see it performed. Oh, it was absolutely brilliant. And it was a Midsummer Night's Dream that we went to see. I have to say, I also went to see, not there, but in London, I went to see King Lear. Oh, that's a bit heavy going, that one. And I had the numbest bum in the world, because we were in one of the old theatres and it had the old theatre seats, and you sit for a long time with King Lear, and I was sort of fiddle here, fiddle there, trying to help my bum out. But this one was awesome. So I'm really happy to read that again. Really happy to read that again. So that, oh, wrong way around. So that was Bookishly for the month of August. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. Those two boxes, or packages, I do enjoy my unboxings. I've cut back on a few. I've cut back on Look Fantastic, which hasn't shown up this month now, so I'm hoping, although has it? Oh, I don't know, you know. But I have tried to cancel Look Fantastic. We'll see if it's worked. And I've also, for a while, I've paused RowanBerry, purely because I've got so much stationery at the moment. I have a drawer that is designated my stationery drawer, and I can't close it. And there's no way I can stop having Papergang. I think Papergang is just brilliant. So I thought, well, one of them has got to go on pause for a little bit until I've used up some of this stuff. So I thought one of them's got to go on pause until I've used some of the stationery up. So I decided it would be RowanBerry, but I wonder now whether maybe it should, oh, I don't know. So that was it. That was Lemonade Box and Bookishly for the month of August, with me flanneling away as usual. And I hope wherever you are, the weather is nicer than it is here. Although I suppose at least it isn't raining, so what am I complaining about? And I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.